How to fix error in message stream ChatGPT full guide. Is ChatGPT stopping mid-response with an error in message stream message? In this video, I am going to teach you the fastest fixes so you can get back to work in minutes. Error in message stream means ChatGPT's connection was interrupted while sending your response. Here are the fixes in order. Fix number 1. Refresh the page. Press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This resets the connection and works for most cases immediately. Fix number 2. Check your internet connection. Weak Wi-Fi is the number 1 cause of this error. Test another website to confirm your connection is stable. If it is slow, restart your router or switch to a wired connection. Fix number 3. Log out and log back in. Click your profile icon, select Log Out, then Log Back In. This creates a fresh session and clears expired tokens. Fix number 4. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Click the three-dot menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, select Clear Browsing Data, make sure Cookies is checked, select All Time and confirm. Fix number 5. Disable extensions. Open ChatGPT in an incognito window where extensions are disabled. If it works there, an extension is causing the problem. Fix number 6. Try a different browser. Switch to Edge, Firefox, or Safari and test ChatGPT there. Fix number 7. Break your prompt into smaller messages. Very long prompts can cause streaming to fail. Send it in parts instead. Pro tip. If the error persists, go to status.openai.com to check if OpenAI is experiencing an outage on their end. So to recap, refresh the page, check your internet, log out and back in. Clear your cache, disable extensions, try a different browser, and break long prompts into smaller parts. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below telling me which fix worked for you. See you in the next one.